Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Python in Windows. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I am having the Python version 3.12.8 already installed. So we will be uninstalling this. So the first step is going to control panel. So for that, just go to search and just type control panel and click on the control panel system that you are getting. Just go to programs, select programs and features, and if you scroll down over here, we'll be having the Python 3.12.8 and also Python launcher. So here, first select the Python version, right click and click on uninstall. So this will take some time, just be patient. So once it is uninstalled, we will be getting this, and click on close. And now as you saw that, right, the Python version is not there. Now just do the same for Python launcher, right click and select uninstall and click on yes. The Python launcher also has been uninstalled. Next step is we need to remove the path from the environment variable. So for that, just go to search and type for environment. We will be having this edit the system environment variables and click on open. Here select environment variables. So make sure that you are not having the Python path under this, okay? Make sure that you are not having that Python / scripts thing, okay? So just check here also. Yep, it is not over here. So that's a good thing. So once we have uninstalled the Python from programs, we can just go and delete some folders. So just go to this PC, check if you are having any folder named Python over here. So in my case, I'm having this. I will just delete this. And next step is just go to search and type run. We'll be getting the run system. Open it, and here just type %appdata% and click on OK. So we will be taken to this app data roaming folder. Here, as you can see, I'm having a folder named Python. Simply delete this, and next click on this app data, and we just check if you are having any folder named Python, and go inside local. And if you scroll down, here I'm having a folder named pip, so we can even delete this also. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.